White lines, please.
India, November, Oscar, mobile.
Again, mobile station.
Kilo Echo 8, India, November, Oscar, mobile.
Okay, Kilowatt Echo station. Do you have a line number?
47, 47, 47, over, over.
Okay, roger the 44, 44. Now, signal report. 3 triplets, over.
Yep, I got the 3-3. You're a 5-5, 5-5, 55, 5-5. You're a 5-5, KE8INO mobile.
I gave you a 3x3, triplets. Give me numbers, long string of numbers.
Roger, roger, I got your 3-3. You are a 5-5, 5-5, 5-5, 55, 5-5, 5-5, 5-5, 5-5, 55, 55. Speed limit, over, over.
So you were also 5-5,
Okay, now I got the 5-5 both ways. N680, KE8INO mobile.
Alright, thanks for contact, I appreciate it. N680, one good one, back to that. Phone number. My line number is 67. Yeah, his number was 47, not 44. Oh, roger that, 47. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See ya.
Thank you.
Check in. Get back to that, dear. Roger, back to that. He's back to that, AG Bounty. Whiskey November 4, Whiskey Delta Echo, Doc, you're up for appreciate you running the land. This is Whiskey November 4, Whiskey Delta Echo. Let's go to line 47 in the mobile. Kilo Echo 8, India November Oscar. Kilo Echo 8, November India Oscar. Chris, any copy WN4 WDE?
WN4 WDE. This is Kilo Echo 8, India November Oscar in the mobile. I got you 5757, over.
Got the 57, I've got you about a 22, 22, over.
Roger, I got the 2-2. Thank you, Doc. Back to you, KE8INO mobile.